Happy Halloween! Hello everyone! Welcome to our library. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a Halloween pumpkin. When you make it, you will have your own instruction paper inside your package. When we make this, we will need markers and some colorings, and of course your group puzzles here. Before we make that, I'm gonna show you something that this is the front one, remember that, and this is the back one. So we're gonna color it first before we make it. So I'm gonna use orange for my pumpkin. So it's up to you if what color you like, but for me, of course, pumpkin is the color of my pumpkin. So before that, I want you to make numbers for each puzzle because sometimes it makes you feel confused which one or which part do you want to insert when you assemble it. Okay, I'm gonna start coloring my pumpkin here. So first, we'll need your first group. Combine this two into each other and you will get your first group here. And then the second one is you will have 3 small puzzles here. So they look like mushrooms. So just get your number 3 and insert them in this hole. After inserting number 2 to number 3, you're gonna need number 5 first. Your number 5 has a pumpkin or a monster on it. So just insert it to each other, put them together like this. Okay, and then it will look like this. After inserting 5 to number 3, you're gonna need your number 4. And your number 4 will be 2. So right side and your left side. So we're gonna insert your right side first to number 3 and number 5. Okay, we're gonna insert number 3. And 4, and then 5 and 4. After that, you're gonna insert your number 1 to number 4. Can you see this hole here? We're gonna insert it there like this. Okay? After that, you're gonna insert your 4L or your 4 left on number 1 here, and then stick them to number 5. Okay, like this. Okay, when you finish, it will look like this. After that, we're gonna insert the number 6, and your number 6 will look like this. Okay, remember your front will be clean, and then your back side will be a little stain here. So that will be your sign, which is front and which is back. So we're gonna insert it to number 4, both sides of 4. So we're gonna combine them together. Okay, after combining number 6 and number 4, it will look like this inside. Okay, so after number 6, we're gonna place number 7, and your number 7 will be 3 pieces. So right side, left side, and your front one. So we're gonna put first your both sides 7. Your both sides 7 will place like this. So can you see this hole here? You're gonna insert it there, and then on the other side as well. Okay, can you see it? You can move it here like this. Okay, after inserting 7, we're gonna place this one here. So we're gonna place the number 1 here. Okay, after inserting number 7, it will look like this. Okay, but of course we need the lid on the top. So your lid on the top will be this, the one has hole in the middle. And now we're gonna insert number 8 to number 7. Okay, like this. Okay, okay. So after converting number 7 and number 8, it will look like this, like a box. It's a box, yes. It's a pumpkin box like this. So it will look like this, but it's still not finished because you need something on this side, and it will be your knife there. So we're gonna insert your number 9. Your number 9 will be the handle of your knife, and you're gonna place it here like this. And your number 10 is the top of your knife, and you're gonna place it here. After inserting it, it will look like this. Okay, still not finished. Of course, you have to put your locked here. They are small like little wheel. So insert them there. Insert them there. And it will look like this. On the other side, same. And then the last one is your key. That is 11. So we're gonna put that on the top of your box and you're done. So this is your Happy Halloween box. And then put some candies there. And Happy Halloween!